Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do woolen flower with pencils. The first thing to do is to tie the wool firmly on one pencil and leave a little extension. In a minute, you will see what the extension will be used for. Then continue wrapping around the two pencils in between two of them for 30 times. At this point, use the other part of the extension you left at the beginning and tie firmly. Then cut off one of the extension and attach needle and then sew one part of the woolen design on the pencil. When you are through with that, pull one pencil out. The next thing to do is to pass the wool again on the other side of the pencil, then pull the pencil away. Now, tie firmly to secure. When you're done with all of that, you have a rounded shape. Then, attach one pearl at the center of the round shape. Make the woolen design 5 pieces and join them together to make a beautiful woolen flower. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Finally, attach a medium-sized bead right at the center of the woolen design to make it beautiful and seamless. I hope you find the tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching, and I see you all soon.